Okay, scroll. Cadillac Escalade. You see it. LC Delco, Chan, Fram, Mighty, Napa. What we got over here? So Gucci, so good. Got Jamal Cap. All right. Real quick, the brakes, how they look like. You know, start the car. You see it.
Disclaimer: the activities shown in this video are performed by professionals or individuals with significant experience attempting these activities without proper training, equipment, and safety measures can result in serious injury. Always prioritize safety, use appropriate protective gear, and consult with a professional if you are unsure about any procedures. The creator of this video is not responsible for any injuries or damages incurred while attempting to replicate the activities shown. Proceed at your own risk.
Hey, how you doing, people? Welcome back. To this back at I hope everything's Gucci with you. Got this Cadillac. I'm gonna show you real quick how to do the oil change. All right, and how to set the oil life. So come with me. Let's get it. Yeah. Cadillac Escalade 600. Way. You see it. All right. It's 2022, if I'm not mistaken. All right. Yeah. Right. If you wanna open the hood, just come through over here, right here at the bottom. Pull that up. All right. Through over here. Massive grill. Get in the middle. The lever for the latch. You can let it go aside. You don't need to hold it. You have pistons. Right. Here. Engine oil cap. It tells you 0W20, that's full synthetic oil. Okay. These are the connectors for the AC. That one and that one. If you need to recharge the AC. That right there is the engine oil dipstick. That's what we see over there. Engine air filter, pots, coolant reservoir, brake fluid reservoir. What we got over here? 2022. Yeah, 6.2 liter. Right. This is gonna be the new AC system. Okay, it's not the what is it, like 134? That's the previous one, the previous system. This is a new one, R1234. Okay, so it might be a little bit more expensive to service the AC. You know, more expensive than the previous system. Okay, what else we got over here? The battery under this box. That's a battery. Okay, pretty much. Alternator. If you need to boost the battery, there's a ground. Okay, this is the positive right here. So you connect it here, the positive, negative. All right. Good, and we don't need to remove no covers. Okay, so it's all Gucci, so good. Got the oil filter and the oil drain plug. All right, let's drain that. Pulse. Let me show you real quick the brakes, how they look like. You know, suspension, control arm, link, caliper, axle. me show you the back too. Let me show you the pipe pulse, the tank. EPP rear brakes, caliper, sensor, pretty much. Suspension, link, all that. Right? Spare tire. Let's do this oil change. Right, 15 millimeter for this oil drum plug. Ah, thank you. What you think about that oil? Is it nah? It need to be changed. Let it drain and this is the oil filter. The oil filter comes through like this. I'm using an extension, ratchet. There. All right. Let it drain. Right, let's put the oil drain plug back. We're done with this. Remove the oil filter. Here. Clean. See where the oil filter sits. And then put the new oil filter. I'm gonna use this oil filter. The good thing about this oil filter is that it tells you another options for this 2022 Cadillac Escalade. You see it, LC Delco, Chan Fram, Mighty, Napa, Bensoil, Purelator, the valve line. Okay. This one is that's the part number for this brand, Pronto. Mhm. Remove that. Just a little bit of oil. So good. Put it back in there. Tight it back hand. All right? You don't need no tools. Tight it good. That's it. All right, time to put the oil. What is it? 8 quarts. 8 quarts 0W20 full synthetic oil. All right. 8. Funnel. Right. Once you're done with 8 quarts, put your cap back. If you're short, if you're a short person, you're gonna need a little bench. All right. I'm a bitch. I'm kind of tall. 6 feet. Anyways, it's pretty much it here. All right. Now I'm gonna show you how to set the oil up. Ski. All right. We start the car now. I'm gonna show you how to do the oil change. Step on the brake pedal. Start the car. You see it. So all we're gonna do is we'll come over here. press this one, this button. It's gonna take you there. With this, you scroll to the left, right. Okay. And then you can press it to select. Okay. Scroll there. Press it. Reset. Yes. And it's gonna reset it. Alright. Press it there. Press it and reset. It's gonna ask you, are you sure you want to reset the oil life? Press it, yes. It's gonna reset it to 100. Alright. Then the engine color changed too, from yellow to green. And that's it. Alright. I hope you like this video. I hope you enjoy how to do the oil change and reset the oil life in this 2022 Cadillac Escalade 600. It's not necessary that I gotta tell you anything you want to say. Put in the comment box. Subscribe button with a like and share button. Do your thing. And if you feel like you wanna right below this video, there's a heart. It says thanks. Okay, you click on it. You see what's up. You wanna show some love. Leave your tip for the channel. All right, support the channel. I would appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. That's pretty much it. You don't even see it though without the camera. Maybe it detects your hands. Okay. All right, guys, I'm gonna leave it right here. Thank you for watching. Highlight your boy. You know where to find me. It's me, Stu. Kaboom. I'm out there. Yeah.